So there are times when complex meals are perfect. Then there are times when quick and easy are up on the docket. I have a surefire back pocket recipe that you can pull out anytime you want something a little bit indulgent. My spinach and mascarpone stuffed salmon hits all the notes that you love to hear. And of course, everything we do, you know it's gotta be simple, easy, delicious, and just good food, so let's get started, all right? So I have some spinach here that was frozen. I just went ahead and defrosted it and then drained it. I'm gonna add some mascarpone cheese that's kind of at room temperature a little bit, but not a whole lot. And then I'm gonna season this up with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm gonna show you just how easy this whole situation is. And again, you know I love quick cooking meals, so of course this will be on the table in no time. So that's the salt, that's the pepper, and then here's a little bit of garlic powder right in there as well. All right, so you wanna get in there and really work it together and try to mix up the mascarpone cheese with the spinach. And here's what I like to do. I like to actually season everything first before I stuff it. It just makes it easier for everything to go along, all right? So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, got a little bit of dried Italian seasoning. So I'm gonna put that on the fish. A little bit of garlic powder. And this is gonna be a surprising ingredient. Trust me on this, okay? It really helps bring out the flavor whenever you're making salmon. I'm gonna be using palm sugar, but if you've got brown sugar, a little bit of brown sugar does go a long way. All right, I'm just gonna pat everything in and get it nice and seasoned, just like that. I'm gonna come in here with a knife, and I'm just gonna make an incision right in the middle of the fish and open them up a little bit, right? A nice pocket. So there's the first one, and I'm gonna do the second one. See if I can get them really good and open and get a pocket in there. There we go. Look at that, all right? Then we just come in here. This is the spinach with the mascarpone. And we're just gonna stuff as much as we can right in the side of the fish, just like that, all right? So there's one, and then here is going to be the other one, just like that. All right, get as much of it in there as you can. All right, and then my oven's preheated. So my oven's at 400 degrees. I've got a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the skillet. That way nothing sticks or burns. The fish goes right in here to cook up. And then this is the other. All right, 400 degrees off in the oven, 7-8 minutes until it's ready to go. Now that our fish is off in the oven doing wonderful things, let's start on the grits. So on the stove, I've just got some chicken stock that's been boiling. And what I wanna do is I actually wanna put some of our grits into our chicken stock. And I just wanna stir as I add the grits to the chicken stock. All right, and I'm gonna reduce the heat. I just want to stir because I don't want anything to stick with these grits at all. I'm about to turn these into creamed corn grits, right? And then let me show you how we do the rest. All right, so at the food processor, I've got just some frozen corn. So I'm gonna add the frozen corn right into here. A couple of cloves of garlic, and then I'm gonna add in some heavy cream, and then we'll give this a pulse. All right, and so now, what we have is we have a lovely creamed corn mixture that's gonna go great right into our grits, all right? So look at this. Our grits are nice and thick, okay, and they're begging for moisture. All right, so this is the part where we add in that creamed corn. Before I give this a stir, I'm actually gonna add in a little bit of mascarpone cheese. All right, and I'm gonna just stir this in nice and gently. All right, so I just got a little fresh parsley. I just want to chop up some parsley because I feel like we'll need it like a little fresh element to put right on top of our dish as soon as it comes out of the oven. Look what's ready, all right? This is that lovely salmon that has that spinach and mascarpone right on the inside. It's ready to go. All right, so let's go. I mean, I've got the fish ready to go. Look, these cream corn, creamy grits are gonna put right on the bottom of the plate with the mascarpone cheese, and that cream corn is in there. All right, let's grab this fish, see if we can get it in one piece. It's a big one. Look at that. All right, ready to rock and roll. We'll put that right here on the side, and a little bit of parsley right on top. Actually, I'm also gonna add a little bit of black pepper as well. All right, there's only one thing left I feel like I need. Is a little squeeze of fresh lemon right on top. Really makes all the difference in the world. Here we go. Let's go in for a taste. I wanna get the fish. Look at that. I wanna get the mascarpone, some grits. I'm gonna try to get one good bite, but it's hot. I mean, come on. The grits are creamy. The spinach and mascarpone goes really well together. The fish is perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned, super moist. And that little squeeze of lemon right on top, I mean, sets the whole thing off completely. You have to give this a try. You must. The recipe, you know exactly where to find it. It's gonna be on my website. It's www.dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I wanna wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.